Hi, it's week 5, lesson 1. So we're on to lesson number 10, the last section of chapter 3.2, and this is on acid rain. Yes, there is such thing. When it rains, it actually is made up of acid. So it happens mostly in Gippsland here in Victoria, and you'll learn about that. So first thing you need to do is mark yourself or your attendance. That's lesson 1. I'll be watching for lateness. We still have 3 students who need to. I think that was Liam, Christian, and and Evan. Could please check that out. Also, I would suggest you look at that one again for the types of reaction because that will be very useful when we're doing the worksheet. We have a worksheet for today. And let's go to lesson 10, acid rain. So the structures are fairly straightforward. Stay in pattern. Load up your lesson and your PowerPoint. So your lesson is here. Standard 5-step. Remember, we fill in that at towards the end. You have your pre-video question. Go to slide 11 of the PowerPoint, and then watch the videos. There's 2 of them. Then at the end, do these after questions, and also you need to go to read pages 91 and 92 and complete questions 1 to 3 on page 92. You would do that in your summary book. One other thing we need to do, and that is a worksheet. And let's see, there it is. Remember that Fred Flintstone video? So remember, all of these are acid plus. So that's an acid, that's an acid. They're all acids on this side. Oh, so that must be acids. Can you work out what the acid is from the other side? We have the missing words, and based on here we have an acid and a metal. What reaction was that? Think about the Fred Flintstones. HCl, hydrogen, chloric, and only one's copper. And there's a swap happening here. The copper replaced the hydrogen, so that must be copper chloride. And here, that's right, all the hydrogen gases. So there's all your hydrogen gases. So you should be able to work out those. There's a pattern. And again, print it out, fill it in, or even better still, type over and save it to your Google Drive. And that's for today's lesson.